Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM ZFE channel. Today I will show you how to use FreeCAD sketch tools like Slot, ArcSlot, B-Spline, and Construction Line. You also learn the several ways to invoke these Sketcher tools. Sketcher tutorial number 10. The Sketcher Create Slot tool creates a slot, a closed polyline consisting of two semicircles connected by two parallel straight lines. The Sketcher Create ArcSlot tool creates an arc slot, a closed polyline consisting of two parallel concentric arcs closed by two semicircles or two radial straight lines, ending types arcs or straight lines. The next tool is B-Spline. Sketcher Create Spline tool creates a B-Spline curve by control points or optionally by knot points. B-Spline curves allow a local control over the shape of the spline curve. The Sketcher Toggle Construction tool either toggles the geometry creation tools to from construction mode or toggles selected geometry to from construction geometry. This picture shows you how to invoke the Sketcher tools in FreeCAD. The first option to sketch a slot. The second option to sketch a slot. Third option, use keyboard shortcut, G then S. The first option to sketch an arc slot. Select slot arc ends. Select Slot Flat Ends. We use B-Spline to create smooth curves. In the following example, I show you how to create a solid part by using B-Spline. B-Spline allows adding or removing control points in the curve without changing the degree of curve. To create a solid part, we need a closed sketch. Create a solid part. To change the shape of the solid part, you need to change the position of the control points. In the next example, I will show you the other type of B-Spline periodic closed type. using a fillet and then the tool thickness. The next sketcher tool is construction line. This tool is mostly used as symmetry line or as a rotation axis by part design revolution. Follow the following examples. First, create to lines from middle to middle. Change these lines to construction lines. Construction geometry is marked with a dedicated color default blue. Now, we use these construction lines as symmetry lines. Close the sketch and create a solid part. I created already this sketch. Now I will show you the use of the construction line as rotation axis. Construction line. Hide the constraints. Select the sketch and create rotation solid part. The sketch is automatically rotated about the z-axis. Change the rotation axis from the vertical z-axis to construction line axis. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD Sketcher tools. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.